Come test drive 2016 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, stability control, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, floor mats, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.